Hi, this is Miri again, and I ordered in the release of the Holo Taco Holiday Collection. I ordered the Holiday Collection and a couple other things, and I wanted to do an unboxing and show you everything I got. So the first thing I did was I opened the box with these lovely scissors, so it's all ready to go. And on top we've got the smaller box with the extra things that I ordered. And I ordered the Holo Taco long-lasting base coat, and it looks like this, and that is an absolutely stunning shade of blue, and I kind of almost wish it could be a top coat color, and I might actually see what it looks like over a white or just on its own. I mean, it's probably not going to look like much, but it's just really pretty in the bottle anyway. And I will be testing this later and actually comparing it to my favorite Orly Bonder base coat. I want to see which works better as a long-lasting base coat. So that's that. Then I ordered Nailogical's protective peel. That's the latex liquid for around the fingers for peeling off, for doing gradients and nail art and stuff. So that's that. And I've had it for a few months now. I have this, the basic liquid latex used by makeup artists. And I know when Christine did her video on protective latex peel off for around the nails, her bottle of this was all dried up, so she wasn't able to use it. Well, mine's in good shape, so I will do a comparison test and see which one's more worth your time and money, and all of that. So I will do that video at a later date. And then, of course, there's the big holiday collection. Sorry about the video jump. I had a bit of a glitch and had to stop and restart. So here's the holiday collection box, magnetically sealed. It's a beautiful box, and there's all the polishes inside and all the holo. I mean, we know her boxes are wonderful. So here's the first polish, the Play Rosé. Let's open that up and see what that looks like. And that's absolutely gorgeous. I love it. So let's turn this around. So that's the first color. Then the next color is the Frostlight, which is one of the ones I really wanted, and it's really beautiful. And then we have the Rainbow Snow, and again, it's really beautiful and all silvery. And then we have Party Punch, which is honestly one of these colors I'm least interested in personally, but it'll be great for nail art and contrast and for other people and just for playing around with. So it is stunningly gorgeous for what it is. And the last one, of course, is Midnight Spark, which is this lovely rich indigo blue glitter polish, and these are all so beautiful, and I can't wait to polish my nails with them and to play with them, but that's going to have to wait probably till tomorrow or the next day. I have things going on that I don't want to do my nails right now. I'll do them in the next couple days, and I'll make another video. And so that's the holiday collection. I hope you liked my unboxing. I hope you liked the polish. I think it's beautiful. I hope you think it's beautiful. I know the Play Rosé on its own is sold out already, but I know you can still get it as part of the collection box if you buy the whole box, and that's actually one of the colors I wanted because it is really pretty. And so that's my unboxing. If you like this video, go ahead and click that like button. If you'd like to see more from me, please hit that subscribe button. And if you want to see me review other polishes, unbox things, just let me know what you'd like to see.